Hi everyone, this is me with my first attempt in content creation on Poppo Live app. So I was trying to do a screen recording whilst I was cooking and also doing my live. So today we had chicken feet and necks and also vegetables and sadza. Because I reside in Zimbabwe, this is the best meal anyone could ever have. So there's not much that I can say, but I can say the food was delicious and it was nice. I don't know why I kept pressing buttons. Oh, I was trying to rotate my camera and bring it back to make it alive. And because I do not have a tripod or a stand, that's why I had to look for something to put my phone on. And yeah, that is me cooking throughout the video. And now that is me going out of the kitchen waiting for my sadza to be ripe. And as I said, I was watching cartoons with the kids and I realized that I can actually double task, do my live whilst I do my chores, because it's kind of difficult doing the live and you don't have an audience. But once you get used to it, it's nice. And yeah, it's an opportunity to expose your skills of cooking. So definitely like my video and subscribe to Poppo.